Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and today I'm going to be doing Packet Tracer 7.3.1.8. This is configuring RIP v2. So, I'm going to start out how I start these off, get a little note. Canon Vickery, so you know it's me. Um, so what we're going to do, if we look at our topology here, we have our routers, our switches, our LANs, our internet and web server and stuff. Um, For this packet tracer, I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. I'm going to be going through and entering in the commands, and I'm going to be posting a document with where I got these commands and how I got to them and kind of the order I put them in. I'm going to be posting this in the description so you can check that out. And so I'll kind of talk while I do it, but it'll be more of just typing commands in. So go to R1, CLI, enter, en, conft, IP route. Router rip. And now that we're in there, we want to do version 2. And we also want to set to no auto summary. We don't want to do that. Now we're going to go in. Now we're in here. We're going to set up our networks. We're going to do network 192.168.1.0, 192.168.2.0. Actually, we'll put an extra dot in there. If you look here, here's that one. Here's this one. These are the two networks there. And then we're also going to set a passive interface for the gigabit port, which should be this one. Yeah, it's that one. So we're in here. We're going to do passive interface G0/0. We're going to do default information originate. So those are our commands, and then we're going to do we're going to copy run start it. So if we do a do right from there, it will do that little command there, so we don't have to exit out completely. That's everything that's configured for R1. Now we're going to go to R2, CLI, and en conft router rip, and then we're going to do version 2, no auto summary, network 192.168.2.0, 192.168.3.0. Oh, whoops. Was putting those in wrong. A 2, 3, and a 4. I'm going to take a quick look at the topology. So it looks like we just put in this network, and this network for R2. I'm going to set a passive interface to G0/0. And that would be this right here, because we don't want it to be sending out those packets to these LANs. We just want them sending them from router to router. And now we're going to do a do right. And it'll save that all for us. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the R3 router. And with this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put in this network and this network. So if we open up R3, CLI, en, conft, we're going to do, router rip, no auto summary. What do I want to put in? Auto summary, network 192.168.4.0, 5.0, passive interface leading back to the LAN is G0/0, and do right. Alright, now let's check something real quick. I want to check something with this, but I think I might have made a mistake. Yes, okay, I did make a mistake there. Here. So one thing I thought was kind of weird. I was looking at my notes. You need to do version 2 there, and now do your do right. Thought I was forgetting something, but there it is. So that should be everything there. And so now, good. It lists that as 100% right here. Now what we're gonna go through is we're going to do verify our connections, our configurations. So if we open up R1, go CLI, just end out of that. We're going to do show IP route. See here, gives us all our gateway of last resort. That's the number we put in. It has all that in there. Do the same commands on R2 and R3. Show IP route. Here's our gateway here. More stuff. R3 and show IP route. There's the gateway to that one. If you look here, here are all my networks. But yeah, and that's all of that there for verifying our configurations. And it looks like everything got configured right. So that's for those three. Now we're going to be testing our connectivity. So we're just going to send a ping from PC1 to PC3. So we'll open up PC1, desktop, command prompt. Let's see, it doesn't list it there. Well, I'm not even going to send a ping. We're just send a packet. We'll send one to there and one to there. The first one should fail, but everyone after that, some weird thing with package. The first packet is used to create the ARP table, and so like the first one will always fail. But now it should be able to ping there. See, if you look down here, you can see that they're working. Bam, bam, successful. And it looks like it can ping everything. So that's everything for this video. This has been Can of Victory. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section.